Hey.
We are back. Slightly out of breath.
Yeah, I was almost late.
Yes, well, I mean, technically we were both late.
Oh no.
Again.
Wrong camera.
Sorry for that. Oh, yes, it is the wrong camera. This is the unflattering camera, which is why I look 10 years older than normal. So we'll now add the Botox filter, and there we are. Actually, I'm not sure that is better today.
Made no difference for me.
I feel like we're slightly, yeah.
Sweet.
Yes, so
Yeah.
that was an interesting event that happened because, yeah,
What happened?
about 4 months ago, Michael
Oh right, yeah.
ordered 2 apple trees, and
Cherry trees.
Cherry, yeah, and then they were lost. So we got a refund, and then yeah, and then one of them turned up
Like 2 months ago or something?
2 months late. Yeah. And then today, the other one turned up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. So, where are you all tuning in from? Tajikistan. Wow.
Mm.
Have you been to Tajikistan?
No.
Has your dad?
Possibly.
Possibly.
Yeah, possibly.
From Kigali. Awesome.
He definitely never been there.
No.
No.
Everyone from Burma. From New York. Woo.
Mm-hmm.
From New Jersey. Yes.
Isn't that basically the same? Sorry, that I didn't mean.
State, I believe. I think
Is it?
It might be near it. Yes. Let us know.
Fair enough.
Dan Pitts was the first one to comment today. Awesome.
Nice.
Yes. Lovely. So, I'm excited to see you all. I'm also excited for the hi from Belarus. I'm also excited to clone this. Aren't you?
What is it? Oh, show it on the screen.
Oh, this. Yes.
Ooh.
It's a Scrimba course card. My favorite, Scrimba course. The responsive web design bootcamp. So, as you can see, I've made a start, and the reason I made a start was because we have some stretch goals today, and I don't know how long it's going to take us to do them, because it's all about new stuff.
Okay.
These things.
Oh wow.
I
have no idea where to start. Like make the blobs move. That's it. That froze my brain.
I think we can do it.
What's that? What logical properties?
I don't know. Something new in CSS.
Okay, so you haven't done this. You're like literally learning how to do this right now.
Yeah, this is Kevin's challenge.
And what's the new color syntax?
I don't know. I don't know what any of it is. That's what we're going to find out.
Oh wow!
We're going to do it as though we're doing it.
Oh, let me whip up this CSS book.
Well, it's not going to be
it
in
probably
there
wouldn't have
because
new
it's
color
new
syntax.
stuff. No.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Oh, that's
if you are experiencing an echo, it might be because you have us open in more than one place. This happened on Wednesday. Someone had us open on the Scrimba dashboard and in YouTube, and then they got a double whammy. So.
Yeah. That's a good point.
Yeah. Let's watch out for that.
Yeah. Where are we today? We are YouTube.
Wales, I think.
No, like where are we streaming?
Well, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitch, and maybe the Scrimba dashboard, although there was an issue with it earlier and it wasn't showing. Oh, yeah, no, we are there.
Ah, so 4 places. Yeah, so there are 4 places for you to check.
Yeah. Hit that up. Okay, so just to run through what I've already done, I do feel like this HTML is incredibly complicated for what it is.
Okay.
Where's the image gone?
What image?
I did have an image.
Did you?
I did. Clearly I don't anymore. Oh, that's annoying. I don't think it's saved. Okay, well, I'll add that in. I have a div, the class of card, which is obviously the card, and then card hero is the green bit.
Okay.
And then card content is the bit below it.
Right.
That's what I've done so far. I did actually do more than this, but evidently I didn't hit Control S. Anyway, Yeah, let's get on with it. So I need to put in my image of Kevin. Let's start with that. Yeah.
So 2 images.
Why?
Well, one for the background, one for Kevin.
Nah, because these blobs, they need to move, so they can't be an image.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How do you? What do you have to draw these blobs with CSS?
I mean, you could use an SVG, but I might just do circles. We'll see.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's get on with it anyway. So what have I got? Course info is this lot. Teacher info is with Kevin Powell. So these actually need to be in their own div, because then...
Do you not also need, at the very bottom, there are these intermediate and unrolled?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Indeed. They're going to be... I'm actually going to call this card content primary. And then... Is this the right thing to do?
I would just call it card footer and that's it.
Now that's going to be card content. And then in here is going to be div... Oh, for crying out loud. And then, yeah, class card content primary. And you'll see why in a minute. And then this goes down here. And then, yep.
Ah.
You see where I'm going with this?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Secondary. And then div.
Yeah.
What is that? Okay.
Whoops.
Okay, and then 2 paragraphs. With intermediate and enrolled.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can we make a video on Git, please? We are going to make another live stream on Git soon. We've scheduled one, and the one from Wednesday is recorded.
Yeah, that's right. So you can. So if you haven't seen the one we made on Wednesday, check it out. But if you have, then yeah, we'll have another one. Well, 7th of July, I think we penciled it in.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. The image for the class of teacher image. We should get an image of Kevin Powell. What am I doing? Assets. Kevin thumbs up. .png. But for this purpose, we can just call it Kevin.png. Not that I have, loads of images of Kevin saved on my computer. I don't, but I only have 2.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't. Let's see. Kevin thumbs up PNG, and there are hundreds of pumpkin pictures.
Yeah, literally hundreds.
Yeah.
Source Kevin.png. Let's see what that's doing.
There we are.
Woohoo. Okay.
Oh, okay. Now I get why it's called Kevin thumbs up.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean.
Yeah.
Was that not?
Okay.
Someone yesterday on Discord sent me an emoji that was this fluffy bear thing or something with 4 arms, and they were all a thumbs up. So quadruple thumbs up.
Fair enough.
Yeah, that was good. Teacher image with, let's see what that looks like.
Ah, there we go.
Bit more reasonable. Border radius, no, not border radius, 50%. And now he's in a circle. Good news.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm going to remove this hot pink border eventually. It's just to help me see what's going on.
Is it some kind of debugging thing?
Well, not exactly at the moment because I haven't had a bug yet, but it's just to see where the outline of the border actually is. Yes, very nice. Okay, so now I want to split things up so they're on opposite sides, basically.
Yeah.
And to do that, we're going to do card secondary and card primary, I reckon.
Right. Okay.
That should work. Need to sort this out.
Sounds good.
Card content. So I'm going to put it in here. Card secondary. Actually, no. Let's be good and put primary. Okay. Display.
Oh yeah, I think you forgot the dot in core on Y23.
Oh yeah. That's better. Display flex.
Yes.
Yes, that's good.
Thumbs up.
Yep. Quadruple thumbs up, actually. We can do like this.
Yeah, what's... I was doing quadruple. I see. Yeah. I thought with Kevin, that's what, like, sextuple?
Well, yeah. And then, what's it called when you want to
What?
thingy space around? Justify content?
Are you asking me what the CSS property values are?
No, it's space between.
Yeah, that looks like it.
Yes. Okay, then.
Okay, very good.
Yeah. Card, actually, I'm going to set it as a fixed width, I think. Width, 300 pixels. Okay, that's looking better. But we need some padding in it.
Mm-hmm.
Padding.
There is a semicolon. Yeah.
See, no, I don't want it there because now we've got this gap around that, so it's got to be moved. Here? Yes. No, actually not there. Here. I'm going to do this. And then in the HTML, I have another one called Card Hero, which also should have padding.
Okay. Oh, I see. Right.
Oh, probably no. Padding 1M. That has done nothing. Probably because I need this. That's a bit too much padding, really, isn't it? 0.5. Might do like 0 at the top. Let's see. Yeah.
I would say.
Because there's built-in padding on the H1. Yes. Post it on the YouTube stream. I think they're not reading the Twitch chat. I don't actually know if we can see the Twitch chat. I don't know.
No, that is the Twitch chat. You see, because
yeah, they've
it's
got little symbols next to them.
Yeah, you can see a logo next to your avatar, and that tells us where you come from.
Handy.
So, there you go. Yeah.
Can we position the image inside the circle, like what part we select that comes in the circle? Kevin's head here gets cut off. Yeah, that's a good point. We can actually.
Can we?
We got to do it slightly differently if we're going to do that. The way to do that would be, as far as I know, put it in a div, and then
move the image within that div.
Yeah. So I'm going to move this here.
Right.
Get rid. And then teacher image should be background image URL
and you
Kevin.png. Is that not working?
Should it be in quotes or something?
Yes. Background, image, CSS.
Boom, URL.
Maybe it also needs a height then. Probably it does. I don't know actually. No, it probably does. Let's see. Nope.
Go back to the channel. Maybe something's broken there.
Folder directory. It's not in a folder though. Maybe something is.
Teacher image div.
Get the old dev tools out.
Yeah.
There it
What does
is.
that say?
So the div's there.
URL Kevin. Background image. URL Kevin PNG. Maybe you do need like the folder path to it, like dot slash something. Save that.
What we can do is see if what happens when we put a background.
Yeah.
Hot pink. Okay. So
this-
that's there. Try putting a slash at the start of the file name. This is so weird. Why isn't
No,
it working?
well, that's what we did with dot slash, but you don't. It should work without the path because it's right there. Do you need to? You probably don't need to import it.
Remove the quotes. That's what we started off with, though, isn't it?
Yeah, you do need. Well, going to the docs, you might need the quotes, but might not need the quotes.
I mean, now that would be. Yeah. How weird is this?
Anyway, just Google CSS image from local directory.
The file name is correct, right? Background size cover. Isn't that the default there? Hey, it worked.
It's not.
Woohoo.
It's not default. Who thought?
Interesting. Well, I actually quite like the pink behind him. So we're going to leave it there. Yes, anyway, to answer the original question from Dan Pitts, we can now do background position.
Right.
Let's try, no. I always have to try these out because I never know what they're doing. Bottom, that hasn't made a huge amount of difference. Center. Right.
Left. See that?
It automatically saves.
Oh.
How could we make this better?
Position X. Sorry, there was like a property called position X on. Yeah. So this background position -X, and then.
Oh right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just the left and right.
Yeah. So let's just move it. Is it center? Google it. Background position X. And I don't know what's the value like. There must be like pixels or something. Yeah. Ooh, what's that?
50 people.
Oh,
yeah. Can we upload an image into the Scrimba coding environment? Yes.
Yes.
You just simply drag and drop it into
right.
this section.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yes. I mean, basically, you can fiddle around with the background position. I think the reason it's not making a huge amount of difference here is because I don't actually really know. Maybe because the image is not really optimal for what we're trying to do.
I think there is also a slight downside to it because you used to have a div. Oh, sorry, you used to have an image, which is a semantic tag, and now you've made it into a div with a background property. I wonder if there is a way to move that image but still preserve the image tag.
Yeah, because it's not a background, is it? So really, it shouldn't be like that.
Yeah.
Do you think I should put it back?
Yeah, I think we should just revert back because it's like...
So that was a rabbit hole.
Yeah, well, I mean, you eventually do get rabbit holes and stuff like that, but it's kind of just... Yeah. you can do it, and this is how you would move that image. But generally, because image makes semantically more sense, it's better to keep it that way.
Yeah, it is. Sort? Yeah. Kevin,
Whoops.
.png, and then yeah. And that was huge. That's because I need to do this. Okay, now he's kind of stretched, which is annoying.
Oh, I think
hang
we've
on.
deleted some properties.
CSS image image position. Huh.
What's that?
Put an image inside the div, set its width to 200%, and use transforms to move it around. Should we do that?
Yeah, that actually sounds pretty much what we're looking for.
Oh God, that's wrong.
Yeah, leave it there.
Thank you for the idea. Let's give it a go.
Yeah, that div.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Image is inside the div, but that actually looks better already. So what do I have to do now? Right. Set the width to 200%. I wonder why.
Hang on, but
It's a bit massive now.
Set the width to 100% on what? On the image class or on the div class?
Well, I guess it can't be on the div, otherwise it would be enormous.
Well, the div just
commented
uncloses.
out height. I did.
The div just uncloses the image,
But
right?
I don't think I want that. I don't think I need height, do I? Maybe he meant 100. It's a typo.
On the image
On
class.
the image class.
Yeah. I mean, this is an amazing way to program, you know, like with like a delay and.
Should I put hot pink back? Oh no.
Oh, you need to select 3 lines.
Yeah. Get rid of this.
And then.
And this one. So
you
don't want this.
Yeah. Just remove it.
Oh, I can use. Yeah. No, that. Yeah. I think Ina's is onto something. You can use position absolute. So then I reckon this needs position relative. Do you know what I mean? Like, why is putting an image so difficult? Maybe it's just me, you know. I'm slightly exhausted today. Never mind. We solved wrong. Image. And then that's position absolute, I think.
So,
And then what?
and the teacher image class is on an image. Is on an image tag.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good job you're here. Okay. Oh God. Okay.
Right.
No, it's fine because now I reckon this can be. Can you just do like size? No. Width. Not widows. It's never widows. And now I'll refactor this in a minute. But like this. Okay, I think we're getting there. Shape outside circle. What's that?
Whoa! You're getting distracted. Okay, like don't make it worse. Okay, like she's on the train. Let's keep it that. Don't get distracted.
Coding train. Woo, woo. Is there a train noise? There is. Amazing.
Oh, this app has everything.
Yeah.
Cool. So, what do we actually need to do? Oh, I think it. What do you actually need to do here?
Make that. This is what we're making. Whoops.
It makes you realize that those cards are actually pretty complicated.
Oh God, I know. Okay.
Like props to Freud, you know?
Yeah, totally. So, I don't think that should be 200%. I think we should go back to.
Well, with 100 pixels.
Yeah. No, look, that's actually kind of worked. And now,
maybe that should be 200%.
why would it be 200%?
I don't know.
Nah.
Oh, okay.
100. Why is it 200, people?
I don't know.
Can you help?
Don't know.
Anyway, top, I don't know, 10 pixels. Yeah, look. Whoops.
Oh, yeah, okay. So if you move it like right, is it right 10 pixels? Okay, left. Why is it the other way around?
Oh, God knows.
Maybe it's like.
I know, like 5 pixels.
Okay. You can make a game out of this.
We don't need to move it left or right, do we?
No?
We need to just move it like, because it's a bit small, so I reckon this can be like this. Yeah. I really feel like there would have been an easier way of doing this. Right.
Anyway, I think that's good enough. Let's move on. Yeah.
This is so fun. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. Are we really? Because I feel like we're dreadful. Yes, 200%, says Dave, to give you more image to maneuver, but only on the image.
Is it height 200%, not width? I think the original comment was about height.
Robert Corrado. These are my settings and it
Just
worked great. Inner info image, border radius 3 ems, width 4 ems, height 4 ems, margin top 10 pixels.
Yeah, the only thing we're lacking is the rest of the CSS for that. And HTML. Oh, no, you're going for it. You know, like...
Border radius 3 ems. I didn't even know you could use ems on border radius. I don't think you can. Maybe you can.
I know very early on that copy-paste in CSS from Stack Overflow does not work for me.
They've sold Stack Overflow. Have you heard?
Oh, yeah, I have.
So we might have to start paying for it, Michael. What are you going to do? Become a gardener?
I doubt I would have to pay for it. I mean, some people were joking, like, why did they pay so much for Stack Overflow if I can use it for free? There you go.
I think they've answered their own question there.
Yeah. No, I don't think you would have to pay for it, but probably there is like a paid for filter, which is like filter out the rubbish answers, or I would definitely pay for that.
Okay, I'm going to move on from this.
Yeah.
Actually, look.
Oh, there you go. That's like
his head is still cut off.
Almost perfect. Anyway, I think that's good enough. So remove that margin top. Let me help you.
Why?
Let me help you.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Let me help you. Like, here, I come with radical, cleanup. Yeah, and cool, nice. Okay, let's move on.
Let's. Actually,
No, stop commenting out. If you don't need it, just delete it. Honestly.
Can I comment you out, Michael? Yes, Francois says it reminds me how difficult CSS can be. Oh, yeah. No kidding. Right.
Commenting out.
Let's do the blobs. So
we are.
Yeah,
let's do the blobs. Exactly. I'm here for the blobs. And
are you? If you're wondering where Pumpkin is, he went for a walk earlier, and
is he back?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
he has to get his biscuits when he comes back.
Yeah.
So he was crunching them. I don't know where he is now. Downstairs, hopefully.
Well,
Plotting world domination. Right. Height 50 pixels. Oh God. Nope, I know what I'm going to do. Position absolute. Yes. That's sorted that.
So what does that actually mean, position absolute? Like, it's not...
It takes it outside of the document flow. so it doesn't.
What does that mean?
It basically means like here we've got blob, 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 and then course title.
Yeah.
So if we leave it as the default, which is position relative, it's going to render them in
It
this
will, like,
order.
Render 4 things in order.
Yeah.
Oh, when you say up position absolute, you're basically like saying, I'll just let me handle this. I'll put it on the page where I want it.
Yeah.
Ah.
Or to put it more simply, as Alana says, sits on top of everything. Yeah, basically.
Okay. Cool.
Unless you use a Z index, and then it might not be on top of stuff. But essentially, yes, that's what happens.
Oh, there you go. There's always an unless.
With another 50 pixels.
Yeah.
Background color. Hot pink.
Right.
Okay, and now there are 3 of them, but they're all underneath each other. So we want to separate them out. So I'm going to do blob, 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 blob. And then that can be blob 1, blob 2. No, that's 1 again. 2, and then 3.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Okay. Going to come back to putting them behind in a minute.
So blobs get styled differently.
Differently to what?
Well, why is there blob 1, blob 2, blob 3?
Because at the moment they're all underneath each other and we need them to be in different places.
Because you will manually set position on them.
Yes.
Is that how you do it?
It's probably not how they do it on Scrimba. I think they've set it up so it's kind of automated.
No, but is that how? Do you think that's how Kevin did it?
I don't think Kevin's done this yet, or he might have. I don't know.
Oh, I see.
We can ask him on Wednesday.
Yeah, how would he? Like, Kevin, what do you do with your blobs?
Opacity 0.5, maybe 0.2. Yeah,
Oh.
That's quite good.
Yeah.
Now Z index -1. Oh, that's not what I wanted.
+1?
No, what needs to happen is that the Z index, I think,
Needs to be reset somewhere.
needs to be on the H1.
Ah. Or 0.
Oh, this is always something that boggles my mind. Because if I put the Z index here, hang on, maybe that's 0 and that's 1.
You need to close the semicolon on the blob. No? Maybe one of them is -1, another one is -2?
How do you add code to 3 lines like that? Well, what I do on a Mac is press Option and then click the lines I want to edit. I guess on Windows it's something else.
Alt, I think.
Probably, yes.
I think it's Alt on Windows.
Yes. I could use Z-index to send the blobs behind. Yes, I could if I could figure out how. Got some ideas here. Z-index 50 to make it on top.
That reminds me, like, once I saw a code base where I saw someone handwritten Z-index 9,999.
I mean, basically, if it's higher than this, then
they got really fed up.
Can you shout out my friends Kevin Thomas and Ronit Vengerlikar, please? Please.
There you go. You're welcome.
Shout out completed. Yep. No, I was going to do a jingle, but then I thought.
You don't know.
I don't know which one.
Yeah.
It's basically a layer number. Anything above 1 in this case will work. Well, it actually,
above 1.
I think it is working. No, it's not.
So above 1. So Z index on the
2
blob.
is above 1, Michael.
But on the blob, shouldn't it be 1 instead of 0?
I don't think it makes a difference.
No. -1? Oh.
But now it's behind the whole card, which is not what I want.
How about blob at 2 and H1 at 3?
Blob at 2.
Yeah, and H1 is at 3.
What difference? That's the same as 0 and 1.
Is it? I thought you can't do not.
Oh, hang on a minute. I think I know what it might be.
Is that because it's position absolute?
Maybe card hero. Put it here. Card hero position. Oh, it's already got position relative, I know. I used z-index blobs, z-index 1 for blobs, and h1 100. Okay, I don't think that's doing anything, so I'm going to get rid. Wait, what was that? Z-index 1 for blobs.
Right.
And h1 is 100. Position absolute, I think, creates a new stacking index. I think that probably is the problem. Okay, we can work with this. We will just get rid of this. See, this is the 3 of them.
Right.
So now I'm going to move them, I guess, with margins. Let's give that a go. Blob, is it blob -1? Margin left, 50 pixels. Okay. And then it's just going to get some like basic ones in here. Margin top, 50 pixels. Oh, that's. And then I'm going to do just margin 100 pixels. No, yeah, I think I've cracked it. I do actually think I might have cracked it. Position absolute on the H1. Whoa, no. Clearly, I have not cracked it.
Oh, I love the strength of your conviction.
Yeah.
And the brutal reality.
You could try z-index on blob and add position absolute on blob n. Oh, could I? I'm not sure what that would do. Could you use negative z-index for the blobs? Would kind of make more sense to me, even if I agree that's just a matter of organization. Yeah, let's give that a go. Oh. Although didn't we already do that? Someone was saying the card needs to be index 0. Right? Isn't it by default index 0? You know what we could do? Get the old dev tools out.
Yeah.
Thought they weren't working then. That would be terrible, wouldn't it?
Yeah, no.
I mean,
Awful.
Okay.
Okay, so let's select that blob. Blob. Right?
Blob here.
Blob here.
Whoa.
Cool. Z-index 0. You can go to down there. And yeah.
Yes. I'm wondering why it's huge.
What's huge?
This.
Oh.
Probably because of these. So I'm just going to.
Right.
Okay. So what do you want me to do? Z-index. What, just like 1?
So
0.
No. So what you can do is like if you click up, it changes the values.
Yeah, but whether it's any positive number, I don't think it's going to make any difference.
Oh, interesting. So if we have that at 0, and then so card hero. Card hero. Where's the style for card hero here? Can't see it.
There.
Oh, that. Z-index. What? 1. Let's have that at 1. blob will be, oh, it's 0 and it's still over that. What? Yeah, so maybe you want it behind the text, but over, oh, hang on, but where is H1?
Inez just said for Z index to work, the elements have to have position relative.
Oh, well, that's a bummer.
It is. Yeah, that's really annoying.
Right, well, let's then try it out, right? So you're saying that if that needs to be what, 0? But then we can't really. Oh, I don't know. So how do you make these blobs? Let's go to Scrimba and have a look how it's done.
What is this wizardry? Scrimba. Okay. All courses.
Yeah. Okay, there you are. So it does work somehow. So
well, we know that it works. But the issue is how.
Okay.
How, Fred? Should have invited Fred.
Art pattern. I think that's that art pattern.
Span, heading. Div class shapes. They're SVGs.
Yeah, they're SVGs.
But I don't really think that would make a difference, would it?
Transform, translate, and they're basically done. That tells me nothing.
Oh.
Yeah, wow.
All elements involved with Z index need to have position something applied. So the H1 needs a position. Okay. Okay, that sounds good.
Nah, I don't know.
Position what though?
Oh, interesting. So are you saying that basically you need
any position? Maybe. Yes!
Wow.
Woo woo woo!
Wow, okay.
Thank you, Aaron.
So
Maybe
yeah,
Aaron for this.
You do need the position property on classes.
Yeah.
So you actually need to specify it. Interesting. Right.
Yes. Woo. Okay. Good news.
Okay.
Put the old opacity back on, and we're back in business. Border. They're all just going to be circles, actually. It might not be. 50%. So now we have a circle. I'll make it a bit bigger.
There you go. Take that, Fro. We've fixed it.
It's like, yep. Cracking the Enigma code. 2021 style.
Yeah, we basically enumerated every possibility of Z index and position on all various ones.
Left.
Yeah. Except, what was it called? The bomb.
Oh, look at that. 50 pixels. 200. No. Now we're going to have this. You get this.
Whoops.
I'm going to ignore that.
It's responsive.
Because otherwise we're not going to get anything done, are we? Let's be honest. How do you prevent that?
You probably unclose those blobs into something.
Wow. It's an interesting idea. Okay, I will give that one a go.
What does that mean?
Just a second. I think that's a way of making blob shapes, but I don't know.
I think position relative or in the card hero section. Yeah, or position relative on the parent. So the parent of the blob's position relative, basically. I think that's what it means.
Okay, right. First off, I'm going to try Ambrin's border radius. 47%, 30%. Can you read them?
30%, 70%.
Oh, look, it's working.
Whoa! Well, there's another 30%.
Yeah, but they can all be different blobs, can't they? So we're going to do, like, that one's 27, 90, I don't know, 10. This is amazing. I have never done this before. What do you reckon, Michael?
Yeah, that's pretty cool, but I don't understand how it works. What does that actually mean? Border radius 77. Oh, is it like? Oh, it's the different corners, right? So you're rounding off different corners.
Yeah, but there's 2 of them, so I don't know.
What do you mean 2 of them? There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, slash. Oh, is that just an alternative one? Another one you could do, I reckon. Okay, we've got blobs. We've got blobs. Yes, we have got blobs.
Awesome.
Very. Okay, done bits. The weird circle thing is because the position relative is targeted on the body, RN. So what we're saying, I need position relative on card hero.
Yeah, on the parent. What was that?
70 people watching.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
So I think now that means that you can actually adjust your...
I reckon so.
Yeah, so...
50. Not. And then...
75? 175? 100. Yeah, that'll do.
No, they don't come out.
Whoa.
Yeah. You guys are awesome.
Wow.
Awesome. Oh, look, explanation. Before the slash is the percentage across. After the slash is the percentage vertically.
Vertically.
It all needs to be inputted.
Interesting. Well, let's give that a go.
Okay, let's give it a go on this one. Can you please read them?
Well, they're different now. Anyway, well, I think there should be 4 of them. I think we skipped 2, which means that they get...
Michael.
Anyway, yeah, 47, 30, 30. Come on. 47, 30, 30.
Another 30.
Yeah, 70 slash 60, 40, 60, 40. Okay, I think that's too much. Oh no, it's not. Cool. Okay, so which blob was that?
Blob 1. Oh, look, that's wrong. No, it's made a blob.
Ah.
Cool.
Wow.
That's amazing. Yeah. So now we want them to move. Oh my goodness, we've only got 10 minutes left. Okay, right, get a wriggle on. How am I going to do this? I'm going to do observe at keyframes expand.
Are you going to make the blob moving?
Yeah.
Nice.
Make this work. 100%. I want transform scale.
Oh, okay.
2.
Okay.
And then
Oop, that was yeah. Cool.
on blob. No. Let's try. Dot blob. Hover. Animation expand. 2 seconds. No, 1 second. I think something's missing from that.
Is it like animation name? Animation name.
Yeah, but I would. Okay. Let's do this and then refactor. Expand. Yeah. 4 seconds. actually, we want it.
Is it on the card probably, and not on the blob?
But then the whole card would expand.
Oh yeah.
So we want. Oh, this is mind-boggling. Yes, the number of iterations are missing. Like how many times it would repeat. Is that necessary though? Since the card is being hovered on, not the individual blobs. Yes, well that's true. But now, let's
because of the Z index, I'd think you're not hovering over the blob because it thinks that you're hovering over the text.
Yeah, that's true. So I just need.
So how do you target a blob?
I just need the animation to only be.
Oh, someone said card and blob. No, but they'll still do it on the card.
Oh, look, that looks good. Harry P. and Dave. Card hover blob.
And you have
So
on the card.
Actually.
I see. On the card hover, you then select the blob. That's clever. That's super clever.
They get too big. Okay, well, simple solution to that. 1.1. Hopefully. Yes.
Yeah, but then Kevin's like, if you watch the if you watch his example. Yeah, well.
1.1 it is then.
No, there should be a way to contain it somehow, because like when you watch his task, it doesn't expand.
Overflow hidden.
Yeah.
On this, I guess. Overflow hidden. Yes, that has worked.
To make it 3. No.
That has not worked.
Maybe overflow hidden on the card or on the blob or
on the card hero. Oh.
Yeah.
So not there, lol.
Yeah, copy that line and bring it up where you declare the animation. Maybe what about here on card hover? Or maybe there, yeah, why not? Right, okay, cool. That one. Nice. How do you guys know all of this?
Oh no. Oh look, that's quite good actually.
Yeah.
It's a little bit too fast.
We'll make it 4 seconds.
No, I reckon 3. Very nice.
Nice.
Yes. Wow. How interesting. Okay. So we haven't actually looked at any of the new stuff.
Well, we made the blobs. We made the blobs go funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
Let's fix up a little bit with the typography. I reckon that's what we should do. So H1 color. I'm going to say it's called navy. Totally not navy, is it? Fine, I will go and look for a color. No, actually, I can get it. Yeah, I can probably get it from there.
That's not navy. That is kind of like blue-ish grey.
Eyedropper. Pick color from web page.
Oh god, that extra.
Here we go. Here's what it is. Slate grey.
Slate grey.
Actually, you were right, Michael.
There you go. Oh, what? You don't like it?
I think no. What other blue colours are there? HTML. Colour groups.
To be fair, I don't think it looks like slate grey. It looks like wet slate grey. You know?
Have a look through the blues.
Oh, yeah. Go up. I think there was one that looks very similar.
I'm going to go with midnight blue.
There you go.
Yeah. That's actually quite good.
I don't think it's any different to navy blue.
It is different to navy blue.
Oh, just type it up. Have a look.
Card content secondary needs to have a smaller what's its font size? Font size.
Yeah, that's right.
0.75 rems. Okay. Oh, and on the H1, actually, I will do, what's it called? CSS text shadow. Okay, that sounds good. This.
Ooh, try this color.
That looks good.
Try the color from the chat. I wonder what.
Well, clearly I don't want red. I mean, who would want that? FFF. Yes, that's better.
Yeah, try, what is it called? Perry?
Periwinkle.
What's that?
It's a flower.
Is it?
It is, but I don't think it's coming up.
I think with an I.
Ah.
No.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I don't know.
Go back to Midnight Blue. Yes.
Yeah, not sure.
Animation fill mode forwards on the hover so it doesn't go back to the original state. Yes, absolutely. That would be good.
Oh, what is that again?
Animation fill mode forwards. Because at the moment, you hover.
And then it drops. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, it does.
Yeah, but this will prevent that. Cool. Yes.
How do you, though, like, when you hover off, how do you make it go back to what it was instead of dropping?
Let's not get into that. Text align right. Text align right. Text align right. Yes, absolutely.
How do you understand what that means? Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, got it. Text align right.
These are a bit too far apart, really. But we've run out of time, and there was a question.
Was there?
Somewhere. What does the new color syntax mean? I would love to know. Let's have a quick look. CSS. New color syntax.
CSS color module level 4. Color syntax. Color cascading. There. Yeah, 7 days ago. Ooh, I think that's the link. Color CSS data type represents a color. Color may include alpha channel, transparency value, indicating how color should composite with its background. What? Anyway, I don't understand any of this.
You can put the opacity into the color function.
Can you?
Yeah.
Color keyword. Can you just give me like code examples? CSS level 2.
No.
Whoop. Ah, there we are. No.
Transparent keyword.
No. What? Color text is blue.
Basically, maybe you could always use RGBA. Well, Kevin's going to tell us on Wednesday what this is all about. I'm looking forward to it. It should be nice.
Fair enough.
Yes. Yes. Oh. Overflow hidden is just masking. Positioning and responsiveness are key. Cryptic. I don't doubt that you're right.
I think they're saying that this is cheating.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Try 0003 for the shadow color. Okay. 0003. 0003.
I think double. Oh, no, okay. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of like grayish. Close enough, I guess.
Yes.
Ah, fair enough.
Okay, here we are. You could try adding adding transition all 3 seconds to the blob, really, to prevent it going back snappily. Okay. No. All 3 seconds.
I think you need to remove animation duration 3 seconds.
I don't think so.
No, I think you do. Give it a go. Because then you have, whoa.
No, definitely not.
No.
Maybe that. Ah, it was just a guess, not really sure. Okay, in that case, I shall pretend this never happened. Should we use JS to create a mouse over event or use hover in CSS? What do you think?
I don't know.
FFF8.
To be honest, it's a little bit tricky for me to tell because my CSS knowledge is very minimal. So whenever I needed to do anything, I would actually just write a lot of JavaScript to mask my lack of CSS knowledge. So yeah, I think like if you can do it with CSS, just do it with CSS because a lot of JavaScript in the world is because people don't know CSS.
And a lot of CSS in the world is because people don't know JavaScript.
Yeah, there are some CSS properties that I thought.
You need to include ease in, I think.
Ooh.
Ease in out, isn't that?
Ooh.
1 moment. I don't know what that was. Ease in out CSS.
Ooh. Transition.
That's to do, I think, with like how quickly it goes at the start and the beginning, the start and the end. Yes.
I don't know.
Interesting. I'm sure there are many solutions. Oh, look, hang on a minute. Get rid of this. Yes. So that's what we've come up with. Lovely. So thank you all for coming. It has been lovely. And I hope you can come.
Oh, yeah.
On Wednesday to talk to Kevin. Kevin. Yeah, we're going to talk to him about all these new things in CSS. That is going to be brilliant. Yes. And come along to my Twitter. I've got a poll running. Actually, it already finished.
Oh, is it?
What was more awesome, cakes or lakes? And lakes won. But there will be more What's More Awesome polls very soon.
Cool.
Yes.
Oh yeah, did you already say to like and subscribe? Apparently it's really good for you and stuff like that.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, we've been told off, but there you go.
We haven't been told off. Yes, please like and subscribe to the Scrimba YouTube channel.
Yada yada yada.
And then you will get more coding fun. And you can also, oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah.
I meant to do this. Check out my YouTube channel as well, should you wish.
Shameless plug.
I have boiled down our button live stream into 7 minutes at 9 seconds.
Really?
That's how much babbling we do, Michael.
Wow.
50 minutes roughly. So yes,
Not surprised.
come along. It would be lovely.
Cool.
And if you haven't done the challenge yet, give it a go. I'm sure you can do it better than me. Here it is. I'd love to see your solutions.
Yes.
Okay.
Here we are.
Pumpkin,
come on.
Thank you, Software Trending Trends, aka Ambry. Thank you. It was really fun. Yes, it was fun for me too. Yes. Okay, have a lovely weekend and keep coding. Pumpini.